as Ukraine's drone surveillance discovered a Russian position with possibly an anti-air gun. When they failed to take down the drone, the information could quickly be sent back to Ukraine's drone army, as the site had both the gun, which was hit by a drone. Crates of ammunition were also placed a little further back, with already used ammunition in piles next to them, making the used ammunition easier to spot the location from the sky, letting a second FPV drone to come and take out the remaining ammunition, resulting in Ukraine's surveillance helping destroy more Russian weapon system and ammunition, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.